Hi everybody, Steve Kanjar here. Our latest listing brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, the agency and team moving Niagara. Today, I'm at a beautiful brand new home at 21 Austin Drive in the city of Welland. This end unit townhome is my last one that's completely turnkey and ready to go. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, finished basement, deck, fence, sod, grass, landscaping, driveway, you name it, it's ready to go. Thomas, show them.